Pranam. In this video of Jainism course, we will learn about the Vidhis. The Vidhis we will cover up are Guru Vandan Vidhi, the Vidhi of initiating a Samayik, and the Vidhi of completing a Samayik. Let's begin with Laghu Guru Vandan Vidhi. First, you give 2 Khamashna, say Ichchakhar, 1 more Khamashna, say Abotyomi. When you begin with the word Jankinchin Abotyomi, you have to lay down on your knees, put your right hand on the floor and complete that sutra, and then give 1 more Khamashna. So this is how you perform a Guru Vandan. Next, the Vidhi of initiating a Samayik. First, you sit on the Katashna, your hands in Sthapna Mudra facing the Sapnacharya, and recite 1 Navkar and Panchandev. This is how the Sapnacharya is established. The second step is to perform Guru Vandan Vidhi as mentioned above. The followers of Charthui should say Iryavayam 2 Logas followed by 1 Khamashna. Then you give 1 more Khamashna and say Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Samayik Mupati Padilehu Ichcham. Then do Mupati Padilehin. Next, give 1 more Khamashna and say Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Samayik Sandisahu Ichcham. 1 more Khamashna and say Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Samayik Thau Ichcham. You stand up with folded hands, you recite 1 Navkar and say Ichkari Bhagavan Pasai Kari Samayik Dandak Uchravo Ji. If there is a guru or any elder present, they will say Karmi Bhante. If not, you can recite the sutra by yourself. Give 1 Khamashna and then say Iryavayam 2 Lokas. Then give 1 more Khamashna and say Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Vaishna Sandisau Ichcham. Give 1 more Khamashna. Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Vaishna Thau. Give 1 Khamashna. Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Sajjai Sandisahu. Give 1 Khamashna. Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Sajjai Karu. Then you recite 3 Navkar with folded hands. This is how you've completed the Vidhi of initiating Samayik, and then you do 48 minutes of Swadhyaya. Now let's learn about the Vidhi of completing a Samayik. You give 1 Khamashna, say from Iryavayam 2 Logas. Give 1 more Khamashna and say Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Mupati Padilehu Ichcham. Give 1 Khamashna and say Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Samayik Paru Yatha Shakti. Give 1 Khamashna and say Ichcha Karana Sannisa Bhagavan Samayik Paryu Tahati. You place your right hand on the Charavla, say Navkar and Samayava Jutto. After that is completed, you place your hand in the Utthapna Mudra and you say 1 Navkar. This is how you've completed the Vidhi of Samayik. Pranam.